Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Boulevard of Broken Dreams on electric guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chords that form the backbone of the song. Then, we'll explore the distinctive strumming pattern that gives it its driving feel. You'll also learn the memorable intro and verse riff, which is instantly recognizable. Finally, we'll cover the powerful chorus and bridge sections, ensuring you can play the entire song with confidence. Let's dive into the essential chords for Boulevard of Broken Dreams. The primary progression uses E minor, G major, D major, and a major. For that signature Green Day sound, try playing these as power chords, focusing on the root and fifth. The main strumming pattern is a consistent down, down, up, down, up. Practice this rhythm slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. This consistent approach will give your playing that authentic feel. Now, let's tackle the iconic intro and verse riff. This memorable part begins on the low E string, typically around the 7th fret, moving to the 5th, then open. Use palm muting to achieve that tight, percussive sound, especially on the lower notes. The verse riff largely mirrors the intro, maintaining that driving, rhythmic feel. Pay close attention to your timing and articulation to make each note stand out clearly. This riff is key to the song's identity. Finally, let's master the powerful chorus and bridge sections. The chorus typically utilizes the same E minor, G, D, and a chord progression, but with a more aggressive and open strumming style. For the bridge, you might slightly pull back on the intensity before building it up again for the final chorus. Focus on dynamic contrast, making the chorus feel big and impactful. Practice transitioning smoothly between the verse, chorus, and bridge to play the entire song seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.